Tapelo.
Ready? Yeah, you can sit slowly so you can have the feeling. Okay.
Sit. A little bit rope.
Okay.
Pass through your hand slowly.
Slowly.
Put your hand down.
Down.
There you go. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah, like that.
Awesome.